music, we use alphabet letters from A to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The first 7 letters. Each of the piano keys are given a letter name. Let's begin with a group of 2 black keys. In this group, we will have 3 white keys. The first white key, we call it letter C. Okay, let's refer back to our letter names. What is the next letter after C? It's D, right? So the white key in the middle is D. Same, what comes next after D? It's E. So our next white key will be E. Now, let's take a look on the 3 black keys group. Logically, these 2 groups are meant to stick to each other. In this case, F comes after E. So the white key on the left is F. Then, after F, we will be going to G. After G, we have to move to the front to A. And lastly, we move from A to B. And now, let's combine them together. For 2 black keys group, we have C, D, E. For 3 black keys group, we have F, G, and B.